Good morning children, welcome back to math class. Today we are going to discuss area related to circles. Area related to circles. First, what is circle? What is circle? From a fixed point to equal distances added means that is called a circle. From fixed point to on the point A, OA is called radius. OA is called radius. Now, area of the circle equal to pi r square. Area of the circle equal to pi r square. Now, perimeter or circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. Now, area of the ring. Area of the ring. How can you find out the area of the ring? Area of the ring equal to, first this is small r and another circle with width w. There are two circles are there. First circle O, another circle outer circle. The two circles with same center is called concentric circle. Now we need to find area of the ring, or another name is called area of annulus. Area of annulus. ANNULUS. Now capital R equal to small r plus width. Small r plus width. Now how can find out area of the ring? Pi r square outer circle minus inner circle. Area of ring equal to pi r square, pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Now, if you take pi common means r square minus r square. R square minus r square, or pi into the formula a square minus b square. R square minus a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b also we can write. Now, r plus r into r minus r. So, capital R, small r plus width, then we get the capital R. Then area of ring equal to outer area minus inner area. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi small r square. Now, here another formula. Number of rotations equal to total distance traveled by circumference. One circumference nothing but one rotation. By using this formula, we are going to find out the number of rotations. Now, come to the exercise 12.1. If you go for 12.1 first sum, exercise 12.1. First sum. What is the first sum? The radii of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. There are two circles are there. R1 19 centimeter and R2 equal to 9 centimeter. There are two circles are there. R1 and R2. There are two 19 and 9 centimeter respectively. Now we want to add the circumference. So this is first circle R1 plus we want another circle. This is R2 equal to one big circle that formed a capital R. So area of first circle plus area of small circle. Area of first circle R1 and area of 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter. So radius we both circumferences we can add means C1 plus C2 equal to C. Circumference of the first circle, what is the formula? 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal to 2 pi capital R. So two circumference added means what will happen? One big circle will be formed. Now here 2 pi is a common. 2 pi take common means r1 plus r2 equal to 2 pi capital R. 2 pi cancel. R1 equal to 19 centimeter, 9 centimeter equal to capital R. 19 plus 9, 28 centimeter equal to capital R. Therefore, capital R equal to 28 centimeter. So circumference of the we want to find the radius of the new circle. What is the radius? Capital R equal to 28 centimeter. Now go for second question. Second question, what is given? There are two. The radii of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Areas of the two circles. So second question, how can take? This is R1 and this is R2 and this is R1. R1 equal to 8 centimeter, R2 is 6 centimeter, and we want to find capital R, we need to find. So here, previous sum what they are asking, circumferences adding, but this sum, areas of the first circle plus area of second circle equal to capital A. Now, area of first circle, pi R1 square, pi R2 square equal to, why pi R1 here? Area of the first circle. Then pi R2 square, area of second circle, that equal to pi capital R square. Capital R square is a big circle and area of the sum of these two areas equal to that circle. Now, any pi is a common for both. If you take pi common means R1 square plus R2 square equal to pi capital R square. Now, pi get cancelled means R1 square plus R2 square equal to capital R square. Now, capital R square equal to R1 square. What is R1? 8 centimeter square plus 6 centimeter square. That equal to 64 centimeter square plus 36 centimeter square. Now, R square equal to 64 plus 36, 100 centimeter square. Now, R equal to square going to the other side means it becomes square root of 100 centimeter square, that equal to 10 centimeter. So, radius of the new circle, capital R equal to 10 centimeter. Capital R of the 10 centimeter. Now, third question, what is the given? Third question, the archery, the given archery sum. In the figure depicts an archery target marked with its scoring areas from the center outwards as a gold, red, blue, black and white. There are few colors are there: gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region represented by the gold is 21 centimeter and each of the following other bands is 10.5 centimeter. Find the area of the each part they are asking. Find the area of each part they are asking. So first we need to find the golden region. So we need to find the golden region. So first gold region for gold. Now this is third question. Diameter equal to 21 centimeter. Radius R1 equal to 21 by 2 centimeter or 10.5 centimeter. And width equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now this is 21 centimeter diameter, radius is 21 by 2. Now area of the board equal to pi r1 square, and pi value is 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. Now 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, that equal to 2 ones, 2 11s, 7 ones, 7 threes. Now 11 into 3 into 22 by 2, that equal to 33 into 21 by 2. 33 into 21 by 2, that equal to 693 by 2 centimeter square, that equal to 346.5 centimeter square. So diameter is 21 centimeter given. From this, radius 21 by 2 or 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. Now area of the board equal to pi r1 square. Now if you get the value 346.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the golden region. Now next one, what is that? Area of the golden region completed. Next one, what is that? We want to find the red region. We want to find the red region. We need to find the red. This is 21 diameter and the radius is 21 by 2 and the width is 10.5. 10.5. Now here what is that? For red region. For red region. Now R2 equal to R1 plus W. R1 what is that? 10.5 plus 10.5 centimeter. That equal to 21 centimeter. Now here for gold R1 equal to 10.5 or 21 by 2 centimeter. Now area of red region. Area of red region equal to combined area of gold plus red minus area of gold. Now that equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Now look at here. It looks like we want only red alone we need. That means it is a area of ring. Outer area minus inner area. So this is outer area. And this is 10.5. Width is 10.5. So pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. Now if we take pi as a common means r2 square plus r2 square minus r1 square, that equal to pi into r1 plus r2 into r1 minus r2. Now 22 by 7 into r1. R2 means what is that? 21 plus 10.5. 21 minus 10.5. That equal to 22 by 7 into 31.5. Then 10.5. If you simplify means we get the answer is 1039.5 centimeter square. So here red region is what we can find out. So we can find gold plus width. Then R2 will come. By using this we can find the formula. Next, the third one is blue region. For blue region is what is that? R3 equal to R1 plus R2 plus width. Then here red region means R2 equal to R1 plus width. Now R3 equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, that equal to 10, 20, 30, 31.5 centimeter. Then here 10.5 centimeter plus 10.5 centimeter. Now we need to find third region, blue region. We need to find the blue region. Now we need to find the area of blue region alone. So blue region alone means what we can add? Blue, gold plus red plus blue. So area of third one, what is that? Area of blue region. Area of blue region equal to combined area of gold plus red plus blue minus area of gold plus red. That equal to pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. If you take pi common means r3 square minus r2 square. Now pi into r3 plus r2, r3 minus r2, 22 by 7 into r3. What is r3? 31.5 plus 21, 31.5 minus 21. Now 22 by 7 into 53.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. If you simplify means we get the answer 1732 for it, 1732.5 centimeter square. This is the area of a blue region. Now we go for a black region. So how can we find out black region? Black region means here black region. How can we find out the black region? So here R1, R2, R3, R4. Now R4 for black region. For black region, R4 equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus width, that equal to 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 plus width 10.5, that equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 42 centimeter. R4 equal to 42 centimeter. Now here R3 equal to R1 plus R2 plus width. So 10.5 plus 10.5 plus width 10.5 centimeter. That equal to 10, 20, 30, 31.5 centimeter. This is R3. Now what did we find? We want to find only black region. So we need to find a black region. So area of black region equal to area of black region equal to combined area of combined area of what we can combine? Gold, red, we can add on this gold plus red plus blue plus black minus combined area of gold plus red plus blue. Now here pi pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. Now pi take common means r4 square minus r3 square. Now pi into r4. What is r4? 42 plus 31.5. If you write one more step, r4 plus r3, r4 minus r3. Now 22 by 7 into r4, 42 plus 31.5, 42 minus 31.5. Now 22 by 7 into 40, 73.5 into 10.5. If you simplify means we get the answer 2425.5 centimeter square. 2425.5 centimeter square. This is for black region alone, 2425.5 centimeter square. Now last one, what is that? We want white region. We need to find the white region. So lastly, what you can find? White region. For white region. For white region. For white region, we need to find how many radius are there. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means R5 equal to R4 plus width. That equal to 42.5 plus 10.5. That equal to 53.5 centimeter. This is R5. Now here R4 equal to R3 plus width. So 1, 2, 3. So R3 means 31.5 plus 10.5 centimeter. That equal to 42 centimeter. R4 equal to 42 centimeter. Now area of white region equal to combined area of gold, red, blue, black plus white minus area of gold, red, blue plus black. So up to last we can add in, up to black we can subtract. Then we get only white region alone. We get white alone. We get the answer. Now here pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. Area of the outer minus inner. Now pi take common means r5 square minus r4 square. Now pi into r5 plus r4 minus r4. Now 22 by 7 into r4, 53.5 plus 42. 53.5 minus 40. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 95.5 into 10.5. If you simplify means 90, 53, 90, 95.5. If you simplify means what will happen? 311.5 centimeter square. So here 50 plus 40, 90, 53.5 plus 42. Then 9, 3 to 5, 95.5. Now we get the, for white region, we get the answer 3180.5 centimeter square. So like this we write the all the different region with different scoring marks. This is very important, sir. So many times asked by the board. Now we go for another question. Now come to the fourth question. So fourth question, what is that? A wheel of diameter, a wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions made a wheel on 10 minutes when the car is traveling a speed of 66 km per hour? So a wheel is there. The wheel is diameter is 80 centimeter is there. That wheel is moving. The wheel is moving some, how much kilometer speed it is moving? It is moving 66 km per hour. 60 km per hour. So what is our question here? For how many number of revolutions in 10 minutes they are asking. Number of revolutions in 10 minutes they are asking. Okay. So number of revolutions equal to what is the formula? Number of total distance travelled in 10 minutes by one circumference. First diameter, what is that? Diameter equal to 80 centimeter. Now radius equal to 80 by 2 centimeter, that equal to 40 centimeter. Now circumference, perimeter, circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7, unless otherwise stated as 22 by 7. Now 22 by 7 into 2 by r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 centimeter. This is circumference of the circle. Now next, what they given? Distance covered by the wheel. This is distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. One rotation equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 centimeter. This is number of rotations. The distance covered wheel in a one rotation. Next, speed, what they given? Speed of the car. Speed of the car equal to 66 km per hour. That equal to 66 into 1 kilometer. How many meters? 1000 meters. Next, 66 into meter per hour. 1000 into 100 centimeter by 60. So this is distance travelled in 1 hour. Distance travelled in 1 minute. Distance travelled in 1 minute equal to 66 into 1000 into 100 centimeter by 60. Now 0 0 cancel. Then what will happen? Distance travelled in 10 minutes. Distance travelled in 10 minutes equal to 66 into 1000 into 10 by 6 into 10. 6 ones, 6 11s. That equal to what is the remaining? 11 into 1000 into 10 into 10. This is distance travelled in 10 minutes. Now what is our question? Number of rotations. If you take number of rotations equal to number of rotations equal to total distance traveled by one circumference or one rotation. Circumference that equal to total distance movements 11 into 1000 into 10 into 10 by circumference. What is that? For one circumference 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. Now 11 ones, 11 twos. Now 1000 into 10 into 10 into 7 take out means 7 by 2 into 40. Now 0 0 cancel, 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 ones, 2 500. That equal to 500 into 5 sevens are 35 by 4. 4 ones, 4 125. So 125 into 35. That equal to 125 into 35. That equal to 4375. That equal to 4375 rotations. So how many rotations we made in 10 minutes? How many rotations we made in 10 minutes means 4375 rotations made. So a car is traveling 66 kilometers per hour. Then the diameter 80 centimeter. Then it makes how many rotations? How many rotations it made? 4375 rotations with the speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Next, fifth question. What is that? Fifth question. What they given? Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle. So what they given in the circle? So circumference and the perimeter and the area are both are numerically equal. So area of circle equal to circumference of the circle. Area of circle pi r square equal to 2 pi r. Now pi cancel. R square equal to 2r. R into r equal to 2r. R cancel. R equal to 2 centimeter. R equal to 2 centimeter. And what is the option correct here? The option is A. R equal to 2 units. R equal to 2 units. So area and circumference of numerically both are equal. Then pi r square equal to 2 pi r. Then pi cancel means r square equal to r. R square means r into r. 2r equal to r. R equal to 2 centimeters. This is very important question. Then we go for next topic. Then see. Now we want sector. So how can define the sector? This is circle and this is radius. This is another radius. This is length of arc L. A part of a circle. This is arc of length L. Then this is called sector of the circle. How can define the sector of the circle? The area enclosed by here what is that? OAD. This is radius. This also the area enclosed by two radii and An arc is called sector of the circle. Sector of the circle. This is sector angle theta. This is sector angle theta, and this is called minor sector, and this is remaining part is called major sector. Major sector. For example, this is what we can say this one. This is major. This is minor. This is a minor. How can you define sector? Means the area enclosed by two radii and an arc is called area of the sector. So this is major sector, and this is minor sector. So minor sector formula, what is that? Minor sector equal to minor sector equal to theta by 360 pi r square. Now major sector equal to major sector means how can find out full diagonal is area of a, there are two methods we can do. 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square, or area of circle, area of the circle minus area of minor sector. Area of the, so how can find out this one? Area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square minus theta by 360 pi r square. So area of minor sector equal to theta by 360 pi r square. Area of major sector equal to 360 minus theta by 360 pi r square, or area of the circle minus area of the minor sector. So area of circle formula pi r square minus theta by 360 pi r square. Where is theta? So if theta is, this is theta. This is angle between the two radii, and length of arc L equal to theta by 360 2 pi r. Length of arc L equal to 360 by theta by 360 2 pi r. Okay children, next class will continue. Thank you.